You're not buckled. Crystal, you're not buckled.
I know.
That's not safe.
Why not?
Because we're gonna get hit by the cops.
What?
We're gonna be catched by the cops if you don't buckle up.
The cops are gonna get us.
Then
Crystal, are you
drop
buckled?
I'm not buckled?
Like,
When?
yeah. For
No.
when?
Yeah, today.
Today.
Get buckled.
Why?
Where would you get it done?
Cops.
Wally World.
What about cops?
They did it one time.
They're gonna catch us and Uncle Gary. No, just
Mom.
Uncle Gary.
I wanna
Buckle
leave.
up.
I don't think they're gonna catch us.
Yeah, because I mean they're far away.
Scrapyard.
Buckle up. Mom.
All that land.
Mom.
Yeah.
Both houses
not
or three
buckled.
houses.
I want
She
to
sold
say
the two off. She said.
Mom.
Yeah, it's cold. It's
Freezing my toes
all
off.
the AC's on.
Mom.
What? Say.
Freezing down
Crystal's
here.
not buckled.
Crystal's not buckled?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
She's gonna get in trouble.
Can we like turn the air off back here?
We were driving down the road the other day and she saw NASA and she's like, Zizi's work.
That was smart.
I told you.
You knew ZZ worked at NASA.
Yeah.
Did I tell you that or not?
She recognized the.
Up.
It's up here on the right.
I can't really film good when I'm buckled. Happy?
Actually trapped the water. The
I'm
bayou
buckled.
rose up and pushed the water back this way, so they met. The bayou and the
Happy
ocean
holidays.
came together. This was underwater.